Welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to put this engine back in the frame and see if we can't get it running again. But first, let me go through what I've done to this engine so far. Welcome back. In the last video, you guys remember, I talked about replacing and changing the lower crankcase because the lower engine mounts were broken off, and that really wasn't that bad. It was easy. Probably the hardest part of that was transferring over the the Kickstarter and all that. It was a little tricky, but it wasn't that bad at all. And I figured while I had the engine out and I got the lower case fixed, why not go ahead and redo the top end. It's over 40 years old. Let's get in there and see what's going on. And the bike did run well, so I figured it'd be just freshen up the top end, and that'd be that. Well, to my surprise, we had some issues in the top end, and one of them was the exhaust valves were bent, both of them. And not only that, on the left side piston rings were broken. None of the rings got down into the crankcase, none of the pieces anyway, so that was good. So I ended up doing a complete top end on this. I ended up doing valve job, so there was this whole engine has been rebuilt, and unfortunately I do not have any video of that. Didn't come out very well, or I lost some of the footage because I'm not very good at this. But we're learning, and you guys bear with me. I'll figure this out sooner than later. Alright guys, so with that I'm going to go ahead and get this engine back in the frame and enjoy. Let's get to it. Okay, the engine is back in, and there's a few things left to do. I'm going to put the mufflers back on, and we're going to hook up the throttle cable. Okay guys, I got the engine back in, I got the carbs on, and mufflers installed. I think I'm going to end the video here, and in the next video we'll get this thing running again. So you guys ride safe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.